This is insane. Okay guys, so behind me here, we got the car fully painted. Just rolled out of the booth this morning. Do a quick walk around. The color is looking so sharp. Super happy how it turned out. Just the way that all the repairs, everything looks so straight. It looks so good. Especially the molding of the rear panels. Really like how it turned out. You can barely tell that this is actually a fiberglass over panel. Molds so incredibly well. The roof turned out absolutely gorgeous. Super happy how that all turned out. The hood, beautiful, especially on the body line, on the hood. Look at that. There we go, got a quick little focus. Camera. Wow. Unreal. Takes a little bit for it to focus again. There's always going to be a slight difference between the metal and the fiberglass panels. They're all like that, not just this car. Even on other pictures, Bayside Blue and all the other colors, they're like that also. It's just different material. It's going to show up a little bit different, but... And then again, as to the other side, how it's just so beautifully molded in. Everything is so nice and straight. Really happy how it turned out. Wow. Wow. So these parts just got finished painting last night. They look absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow. Oh, look at the taillight covers too. The handles look so good. Look at that. Dang, look at the front bumper. Looks so good. It's coming along. All the little bits and pieces are, for the most part, all painted up. Only I think a couple more little pieces to go, and then we can start assembling the car. Hey guys, how's it going? Behind me the car, it is super late. I've been busting my tail for the past, I don't even know how long, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, I don't even know. It's like 2 in the morning right now. And I started around like 5:30, 5. Okay, let's show the car. It's not fully assembled, but for the most part, I got a lot done. Got the interior pretty much all together. Got the door panels all on. All the door panels back on. All the weather strippings. The interior, everything. Even put the rear bumper on also. The taillights I'm going to have to wait to do because I actually need foam core butyl to seal up the rear taillights. Unfortunately, I forgot about that. So the taillight covers are over there. I finished polishing the taillights themselves. Same thing, side skirts, I got a urethane gluing them on. Spoilers sitting there. Still waiting on all the carbon pieces to get re-clear coated, but it's coming along. Gonna be a little bit bouncy back and forth. Sorry guys, I apologize. Like I said, I just been motoring on all getting the work done. That's what I've been just concentrating on. So I wasn't really filming much of the process of me putting it all back together. The reason why is because it was a lot of work and it was just time to put down the camera and just do it. So here's a brief update. Got the front bumper on, headlights, just started gluing on the side skirts in place. Got the nice marker lights, mirrors, all that stuff. There we go, got the interior all together. Even got the new seats in there also. Just kept the protective plastic on because we're still in the auto body shop. Just trying to get the dust down and all that stuff. Got the taillights in. It looks pretty sick, pretty happy with it. It looks almost black and then it flips to the gray and then it flips also to like a purple. So not too bad. A little bit more to do on the lower cover there. It's looking great. We just got our plethora of carbon bits all nice and clear coated. So we got the mirror caps, got the little spoiler end caps, we got the spoiler legs, spoiler is body color there, and then also we got the single carbon fiber blade on the spoiler here too. Nice and re-cleared. So guys, tomorrow I bring the car home. Everyone who wants to see it, let me know. Got the new GTR seats in the front too. Cannot wait to sit my butt in those and use them. Hey guys, okay, so sorry again, like I said, we're going to be jumping around a lot in this video. I apologize. Car's home. Everything is going good. Showed it to a bunch of my friends already. They are absolutely ecstatic. Let's take a look what I'm doing right now to it. Alright, so got the car up on the quick jacks there. Looking mint. A couple things that I'm doing is I'm actually changing out this exhaust cut valve that I got. It's actually not closing all the way 100%. It's staying open just a little bit. As you can see, it's actually open right now. So that's causing a nasty blow by and a nasty rattle, driving me nuts. So I got a new one, just waiting to put that one in. Plus, we took out the drive shaft. This guy, when it got custom made, I have a feeling that it wasn't balanced correctly because I have a driveline wobble. I know for a fact it's not the wheels and tires because I've had 2 sets of brand new tires and rims on this car and no change. So I have a feeling, like I said, when I had this custom made, it wasn't balanced correctly. So tomorrow the driveline shop opens up, so we'll drop that off to them and get that set up too. Also what we're doing is we're cleaning a couple trims up. We got a really good brand, SEM. It's actually a trim black. It's going to help clean up some of the interior bits a little bit. Nothing fancy. It's a nice in-between. It's not a matte finish. It's not a gloss finish. It's a nice in-between OEM-esque trim design. And as you can see, I did the shifter surround already.
where the ashtray is, the stereo surround, the heater control surround, the heater surround, and then also this middle piece where it used to have the factory pop-up navigation or infotainment. This little box right here is what I'm going to be installing today also. This is an Intellitronics GPS speedo sensor. So it hooks up with your typical power and ground, and then it also has a signal wire. One of these multicolored wires will be the signal one, depending on the style of gauge cluster I have, it says in the instructions. So it actually will mount underneath the dash. It'll pick up a GPS signal, and it will tell this guy to send the information through the signal wire to the cluster, moving the needle at the correct pace. So I just need to reread the instructions, make sure I find what wire is my signal wire. I have a feeling it might be the purple one, but I'll have to reread that and figure that one out correctly. Right now I have some of the interior bits just baking in the sunlight. These are just the little switch surrounds for like the window switches and stuff.
Okay guys, that's it for me. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Thanks for checking out the channel. Do remember, click the subscribe button if you want to check out all the videos that I'm going to be posting in the future. This summer is going to be unreal, so make sure you click the subscribe button. That way you guys are keep informed and that you're not going to miss anything cool. Alrighty guys, well, have a good one. Thanks a lot.